Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the results of another experiment you've been asking for. In this video I'm testing one of the natural ways to lighten hair, which is lemon juice combined with sunshine. I already have experiments on my channel with lemon juice, both with and without sunlight, but this time I've included brown and black hair as well. The strands marked in yellow are treated with mix of lemon juice and a little water. For comparison, I also prepared strands sprayed with just plain water, and I will leave those in the sun too. They are marked blue. At your request, I've also added strands that will be exposed only to the sun, marked in beige. And of course, there is a control sample marked brown to compare all the results against. Time for the first sun session. I start with the strands that will be exposed only to the sun. I've treated the blue strands with water and the yellow strands with freshly squeezed lemon juice. I also mixed the lemon strands with a bit of water to dilute the juice slightly. I laid all the hair strands out as flat as possible to ensure that the largest surface area was exposed to the sun. Then I left them in direct sunlight for anywhere from 1 hour to a few hours. Afterwards, I washed them with a gentle shampoo and left them to dry. After the first day, I didn't see any difference, so I continued the application, and here is how the hair looked after 5 sun sessions. Blonde hair is already noticeably lighter compared to the control, but brown and black hair still show no visible difference. The strand treated with water and sun shows slight lightening in the blonde and brown hair, while black hair stays the same. The samples exposed only to the sun also show a subtle lightening on blonde and brown hair, but no change on black hair. I continued the experiment, and after 20 sun sessions, the difference became more visible. The effect on blonde hair is clear. The hair is lighter and has a beautiful golden tone, especially when you compare it to the strands exposed only to the sun or water and sun. Those two lightened as well, and the amount of lightening looks pretty much the same. On brown hair, I got a really interesting effect – visible golden highlights. The sun only and water plus sun strands seem to have softer and slightly reddish highlights compared to the lemon juice and sun strand. Looking at all the brown strands together, the lemon and sun hair is still dark with golden highlights, while the other strands appear lighter overall. On black hair, the lightening is very subtle but still visible. Compared to the other strands, the lemon and sun hair has a slight cooler tone, while the water and sun-only strands look warmer. The sun-only and water and sun strands appear lighter overall, looking brown, while the lemon and sun strand still looks black with just a few lighter highlights. This experiment shows that lemon juice in the sun doesn't necessarily lighten hair better than just sun exposure or drying wet hair in the sun. The main difference is the tone. On blonde hair, the color becomes warm and golden. However, on brown and black hair, the effect is much cooler and the overall lightening is weaker. Let me know in the comments if you expected those results, and stay tuned because very soon I'll be posting the seawater and sun experiment. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you won't miss it. Thank you for watching and see you soon, bye bye!